1952 10 horse Johnson. Got the cover off. I'm going to start it up here for you. First, I want to point out a couple things that need to be fixed. Right up here, this pull rope, it's got a metal cable inside, but the outside's frayed, so it needs a new pull rope. And this gas fitting right here has O-rings in it, and it's dripping. What you're seeing back there is water dripping out of it, but right there I just saw a gas drip. So there's a very small gas drip here. The gas tank looks like it's leaking around here too. Those are the bad things. Can we start it up? I'm going to show you a couple other interesting features. Hope you can hear me all right. This is the throttle. Slide the throttle over. But there's also, right here, it says on, flip it over, and off. What that does is when you're wide open, all you got to do is lift up on the handle to slow it down. So this becomes your throttle, up and down. Lights off. I'm going to leave it up. I'm going to give it a lot of throttle here. And then when you push the handle down, it's going to activate the blinking. I'll show you how that operates. Turn it off here. All right, if you look in here, right in there, gotta get the camera in the right spot. See, when you move this up and down, maybe better from this angle, it operates the throttle. So that's full throttle, that's idle. So if you're cruising along the lake full throttle and you want to turn or slow down, all you gotta do is lift up on it. You don't have to move that. Cool feature. They don't make those anymore. Everything now is incorporated into a twist grip. This does not have a twist grip. It does, however, have a bad rubber grip here. Okay, well, it runs good, other than needs a pull rope, some O-rings, looks like a twist grip, and a little bit of a gas leak fix there.